Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku, in a puzzle page of the weekend edition, Saturday, December the 7th, 2021. 2024. And I've already solved 3 puzzles: 4-star Sudoku, Jigsaw Killer Sudoku, Binary, and this one. You are interested, it's the Jigsaw Sudoku number 9719. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 19 printed digits. That's a lot. 19. Well, should be a 0 stars puzzle. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 19. Yeah. 0 stars puzzle. I need to be faster than 13 minutes. Question is this a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you: can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always 1. No single boxes here. How about dual boxes? I see here 1 dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, we have 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. So, next question. Do we have here triple boxes? No triple boxes in this puzzle. How about quadra boxes? I see only 1 quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and a 4. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Only 1 of this kind of shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. And here another one rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And here upside down, this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. These 2 boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left on 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. So 3. 2 numbers. No. I think this box will be 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark those 1 and 2. 1 and 2 is connected with that box. So 1 and 2. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think this box will be a 5, because if I place a 5 here, this box is connected with that box, so it's all 5. But we already have a 5 here. Not a solution, place the 5 there, the 5 supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left, 4 numbers, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 2 goes there. Is connected with that box, super. So 2. This box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be here. So the 1 and the 2 are left. These 2 boxes can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be 5. So, and that box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape. Supposed to be there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and the 4. Well, I cannot place the 1 there because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 supposed to be here and the 4 goes there. 1 and the 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box, super. So 2, 1 box left in this area for number 1. I think this box should be a 4. Nope. Not a 4, need to wait. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4, 3 and 4. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, we have a double 5 there, but also that box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area, it's supposed to be here. Alright, then, let me see. These 2 boxes surround a 5 can be 5. That box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be there. Well, this box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Need a 1, need a 4 here. 3 and a 4, okay. 4, 5. This box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. Come on, the hard part. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think the 1 should be here, because if I place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box, super, so 1, but we already have a 1 here, so not a solution, place the 1 there, the 1 is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4 is connected with that box, should be also 2 and 4. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2 and a 4, we have a double 2 there, and double 4 there, so the 2 and a 4 goes in these 2 boxes. So the other pair in this area are numbers 3 and the 1. We have 1 there and a 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. This box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 4 is connected with that box, should be so 4. I've marked this box with 2 or 4, we have a 4 now, so this box should be a 2, is connected with that box, should be so 2, 1 box left now in this area for number 4, 2 or a 4, we have a 2 now, so this box should be a 4. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, we have a 3 in the same area, yeah, should be a 4. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those. Is connected with that box, should be so 1 and a 2. Here also 1 and a 2, but we have a double 2 there, so it can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 1. And 1 box left in this area for number 2 is connected with that box, should be so 2. 1 box left in this quarter box for number 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Now we have a double 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. These two boxes can be 3. We have a double 3 there, so the 3 is supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 5 and 4, 5 and a 4. Then, let me see. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, so the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So the 1 digit left in this area for number 2. 3 and a 4. Need to trigger this. Suppose this is a 1, then these two digits are unclosed. So I need the 3 here and the 1 there. Okay. It means that those two boxes can be 3. So 1 box level 3 should be there. Eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. 3 and 4, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. Okay, mark those two boxes earlier with 3. We have 3 now, so this can't be 3 anymore. That box should be 3, so 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright. And now, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. This box can be 4, so the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So now 1 digit left in this area for number 3. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 4 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well, we solve it again. Told you, should be a 0 stars. And I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow, yeah, with the Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.